Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my model for a cell project that I made for my biology class. Anyway guys, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so you might be wondering, what is the cell wall? Well, as you can see, all these gray blocks on the side of the cell are all part of the diagram showing you the cell wall. Wait, that's membrane. What am I doing? It is the cell membrane. Sorry about that. So what the cell membrane does is it controls the flow of objects between going into the cell and out of the cell. So it will only let some things come into this area, which is our cell, and it will keep the bad things outside of the cell. How cool is that? So it basically acts like a gate system for your cell. Okay, so now that we know what a cell membrane is, let's go over to lysosomes. So what lysosomes do is they kill viruses and bacteria, which is a really good thing. But another thing that they do is they break down excess or worn out cell parts, as gnome.gov puts it. So basically what these things do are a defensive organelle, just like our cell membrane. They are basically for defensive, getting rid of old cell parts so they don't wear down the cell, and also killing bacteria and viruses so you do not get infected and die. Next up on our list is the Golgi Apparatus. So you may be wondering, what does the Golgi Apparatus do? So what it does, it is basically acts as the Amazon service of the cell. What it does is it takes different nutrients like proteins and lipids, and it packages them and makes sure that they transport to where they need to go, such as the centrosome, the flagella, ribosome, all those different places that need the proteins and lipids. The Golgi apparatus will make sure that the job gets done. Alright, so the next thing on our list is the centrosome. So basically what this is in charge of doing is it is in charge of cell division, which is how cells reproduce. So your centrosome is going to be basically the part of the cell that's in charge of the cell division and making new cells so you can grow. Alright, so the next thing on our list is the flagella. So as biologydictionary.net puts it, flagella are basically the organelles that are in charge of making sure that our cell can move where it needs to go. So this is very important because otherwise, if you didn't have the flagella, movement of your cell would be extremely complicated. Alrighty guys, so after the flagella, we have the ribosomes. So basically the job of the ribosomes is to be an interpreter or a translator between RNAs and proteins. So basically what happens is the ribosome interprets the language that the RNA has put stuff in, translates it so that the amino acids which are going to make up our protein know how to join together to make a specific type of protein. And that, my friends, is the job of the ribosome. Alrighty guys, so after the ribosome, we have the mitochondria. You may have heard of the mitochondria, as it is said that it is the powerhouse of the cell. Basically, the job of the mitochondria is to break down food to release energy. Very simple, very easy to understand. That, my friends, is why it is called the powerhouse of the cell. Look at that, how simple is that? Alrighty, everybody, after the mitochondria, I'm gonna have to travel a little bit for this one, we have the cytoplasm. Basically, what the cytoplasm acts as, it acts as a jelly-like liquid that keeps all of these wonderful, amazing organelles in place so they don't go everywhere, because that would be a problem. Next up, we have the rough. Get it? The dog joke right there? I'm sorry, that was a bad pun. We have the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Very simple to understand what this guy does. What he does is he makes proteins. Literally that simple. That's all you gotta know about it.
Nice.
After our rough endoplasmic reticulum, gonna have to take a little bit of a walk here. We have the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This one is also very, very, very easy to understand what it does. Are you guys ready? Legit, not even joking. It literally just makes lipids. That's all you gotta know. Look at that, easy peasy. Just got an A on your quiz. If you get quizzed on it, I really hope that you get an A, because if you don't, after I just explained it and it's that easy, I think that's just kind of sad. And finally, after this smooth endoplasmic reticulum, we have, drum roll please, the nucleus. Basically, the job of the nucleus is to protect the DNA that controls the entire cell. So you can imagine if all the DNA that were controlling your cell weren't protected, that would be pretty bad. So that is where the nucleus comes in handy. And we actually have one more thing after the nucleus, and that is the nucleolus. The nucleolus's job is to basically just makes rRNA, which makes up ribosomes. So pretty simple, pretty easy to understand, and yeah. This has been the Cell Project for Biology class. For those of you that were watching in class, I hope you guys enjoyed. For those of you that are watching on my YouTube channel, I hope you guys also enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe if you want to. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.